How to recover deleted emails from Gmail. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on the menu option in the top left corner and then go to the bin, and here you can see the all the deleted emails under the 30 days. And after 30 days, when you delete the item emails this day, and after 30 days it will be automatically deleted, so that's the problem. And if you uh, recover the emails which is present in the bin, so hold it down and select them, all of them that you want to recover, and then click on these three dots and tap on the move to, and if you want to go to the primary, recover to the primary, click on the primary, and then your email is recovered. So that's the video to how to, that's the tech tutorial for how to recover deleted emails from Gmail. If you love this type of tech tutorials, so subscribe to my channel and also like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.